Divya herbal pear or Divya herbal pear, which translates as divine plant-based beverage or drink. So this proprietary medicine prepared by Ayurvedic wing of Patanjali Yogpith consists of many ingredients. These ingredients help fight Corona 19 virus. Now let me tell you what these ingredients are. As you can see here, this Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. Now I will read out what these are. Every 100 gram of Divya herbal pear consists of or is made or is prepared from coarse powders of, now I'll tell you the name and their quantities. एला लघु, एला बड़ी, दालचीनी, जावित्री, मिर्च काली, सौंठ, चंदन लाल, मुलेठी, आज्ञा घास, वन तुलसी, तुलसी, अर्जुन, गुलाब, पीपली छोटी. Now एला लघु is called Elateria cardamom, and part used is fruit, and its quantity is 3.7 gram. Then another is Ela Badi. It is called Amomum subulatum. Part used is fruit. Quantity is 7.41 gram. Then third is Dalchini. Dalchini is called Cinnamomum. Parisium. I'll again let me read it clearly. It is Cinnamomum gelanicum. The part used is bark. Quantity is 11.11 gram. Then Javitri. Javitri is called Mystica fragrans, and part used is Eril. Quantity is 1.85 gram. Then Mirch Kali, which is called Piper nigrum. The part used is fruit. Quantity is 3.70 gram. Then Saunt, which is actually prepared from ginger. Saunt is called Gingiber officinale. Part used is root. Quantity is 11.11 gram. Then another one is Chandan Lal. It is called Plerocarpus centenarinus. The part used is hardwood. Quantity is 7.41 gram. Then Mulethi, which is called Glycyrrhiza glabra. Quantity then part used is root. Quantity is 14.81 gram. Then Agya Ghas, which is called Symbopogon citratus. Citrates. The part used is whole plant. Quantity is 11.11 gram. Then one tulsi, which is called Ocimum basilicum. The part used is whole plant, and quantity is 3.70 gram. Then tulsi, simple tulsi. It is called Ocimum sanctum. The part used is whole plant, The quantity used is 7.41 gram. Then Arjun, Terminalia arjuna. The part used is bark, quantity is 7.41 gram. Then another is Gulab, Rosa centifolia. The part used is flower petal, quantity is 7.42 gram. Then last is Pipli choti. It is called Piper longum, and the part used is fruit, quantity is 1.85 gram. So this is the composition of 100 gram of Divya herbal pear or Divya herbal tea. Now let me tell you how it helps you fight Corona-19 virus. See, one of the ingredients is tulsi or Ocimum sanctum or Ocimum basilicum. Now it is a known fact that tulsi or basilicum or sanctum contains zinc, and zinc is well known and scientifically documented to neutralize viruses. It disinfects cells. So naturally it does neutralize Corona-19 virus also. And in fact, in Ayurveda, it is stated that during pandemics, one should take kvath made of tulsi or basil. So it is quite natural to conclude that this herbal pear can fight and does fight all types of viruses. Then another ingredient is saunt, which is called Gingiber officinale. Now it is also well documented. The ginger contains many ingredients, further ingredients, many elements which act as inflammatory substances. Or we can say ginger or saunt or gingiber is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. It is a blood thinner. It is an anticoagulant. That means it thins the blood and it stops blood clotting. And blood clotting is one of the main problems created by Corona-19 virus. So likewise, all the ingredients, they are very useful. In fact, if you go through Ayurvedic tests, you will find more about them. Here, it would suffice to say that the herbal pear, which contains so many ingredients, including one tulsi, muleti, saunt, mirch kali, pepper, is useful to fight against Corona-19 virus. And pepper is also well known. It is well known for its antiviral properties. So, in short, it can be concluded that this herbal pear does contain ingredients which surely help fight viruses of all kinds. That means it includes Corona-19 virus also. So, I will advise you, I will suggest you, take herbal pear 3 times a day, 7 days a week, to keep you and your beloved ones safe from COVID-19. Namaste.